Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Scorpio water sign for the month of November. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Scorpio, your messages. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Princess of Wands, the Tower, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, I think some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Definitely one person want to communicate the other person. It could be you or your person, depending upon your situation. And what I'm seeing here, something is happened between both of you. For some there is separation, for some there is no contact because the Tower moment and Six of Pentacles. Why Six of Pentacles is here? Because there is no equal give and take. There is no collaboration between both of you. Yeah, Six of Pentacles, there is no equal give and take. One person invest in this connection more the other person, and one person is very dominating in this connection. Yeah, so some message, some communication, strength, Princess of Pentacles and Ten of Cups. So you or your person could be Leo also. Yeah, one person working. Yeah, Princess of Pentacles and a Page of Wands communication. They want to communicate their feelings to other person. It could be you or your person. Ten of Cups. Yeah, they want this happiness with the other person. Yeah, they are gaining the strength back to communicate. Yeah, communication. For some there is separation also. Four of Wands, King of Cups, and I don't read reverse cards. Yeah, Four of Pentacles. Yeah, one person is very stubborn in this connection. They are not expressing their feelings to other person. That is the issue also. For some there is no contact. Yeah, Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames, level and 11. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, your person want to come towards you or you want to go towards your person, but it is very very slow moving energy. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, there is holding back. One person holding back their feelings, but they want to the one person who holding back their feelings, that person want to express their feelings towards their person because communication cards are here. Okay, the card, the Hanged Woman, stuck, Five of Cups, Seven of Wands. Yeah, one person is stuck, there is separation also, and one person is defensive in this connection. Yeah, it could be you or your person. Definitely there is, for some there is separation, Five of Cups, and that one person in this connection is feeling very sad for the separation, and the person who holding back their feelings, definitely that person is very stuck right now. That's why they don't know what to do, because literally they are stuck. They want this happiness with you. I think you want, it could be any person depending upon situation. Energy could be vice versa. One person want this relationship and they want to offer equal give and take, and Ten of Cups, they want to want that happiness with that person, but things are not going well because they are stuck right now. But the other person is defensive in this connection. So you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sag, lot of fire energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy. So let's see your person current feelings and actions, then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings and actions. Let's first see your person feelings, current feelings. Scorpio. Yeah, Four of Swords, Seven of Cups, the Hierophant. Yeah, your person right now stuck. I already told, I think the one person who stuck in this connection is your person, because they are undergoing some meditation state. They are taking their time to come towards you. They are thinking about you a lot but not taking any action, because they are now like this. They are thinking but not taking any action. And Seven of Cups is here. Definitely they are in some confusion state regarding the commitment also. Yeah, for some they have some options. They have to choose one from those. For some, your person has some confusion regarding the commitment. For some, your person fantasizing about you a lot and they want to come towards you and offer commitment. Take what resonate, leave the rest. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Wow, 4 of Wands 2 times. You both could play twin flames 11 and 11. Ace of Pentacles, Page of Wands. Page of Wands also 2 times. Definitely they want to communicate you. They want to express their feelings to you. And 4 of Wands with Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, they want reunion with you. Scorpio. Yeah, they want to offer long-term commitment. Ace of Pentacles means long-term commitment. Definitely they want to offer long-term commitment to you. But it will take time. Right now your person undergoing some healing process. Are they stuck right now? After the process they will come towards you. They will send some message or they will call you. Definitely they want this reunion. They will approach you eventually, but not suddenly. I told today and tomorrow they will call, not like this, because this process takes some time. Yeah, but I think you are very defensive right now. I am getting you also want this happiness with your person, but you are acting like defensive. So let's pull some cards from the universe where this connection is headed in near future. The Fool, Princess of Cups, wow, and from this deck, Knight of Wands, 5 of Cups. Yeah, for some there is separation and one person is feeling very sad for the separation between both of you. Yeah, but one person is very very passionate about the other person and they want to come towards you and they have strong emotions for you and trusting their intuition also, one person in this connection. And overall the cards telling this, the Fool, it definitely some new energies coming in this connection in near future, because the moon, the Fool is a new beginnings, taking leap of faith. Definitely you both want new beginnings with each other and you both have strong emotions for each other. Princess of Cups with Fool, definitely. And you both are very passionate about each other and you both, I think, sad for the separation between both of you. You both have feelings, you both feeling sad for what happened between both of you in past. The Fool, Princess of Cups and Knight of Wands and 5 of Cups. Yeah, you both want new beginnings. I think you both are on the same page after the separation, not before the separation. After the separation, you both are feeling like same way. You or your person could be water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. A lot of water energy is here and fire energy. Aries, Leo, Sag. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Scorpio. Wow, Ace of Cups, 8 of Swords and King of Swords. I think you are also stuck at some point during this time. You are also feeling like this. And Knight of Swords, King of Swords. Yeah, you are very straightforward. You are very honest, Scorpio, in this connection. You are very committed also. That's why you are very defensive when your person coming back to you. Still you want, but you're showing them like I am okay without you, that type of energy, but you still want. Yeah, 8 of Swords and Ace of Cups. Definitely you are doing self-love and you are also love your person. Ace of Cups is here, love overflowing towards yourself and towards your person also. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The World, 9 of Swords. Yeah, the Moon. Definitely there are some secrets hidden between both of you. The Moon, some illusions, and 9 of Swords. Definitely your person are not happy without you, definitely, because already 5 of Cups, this card regarding your person. Definitely they are very very sad for the separation between both of you. And the World, this could be long distance relationship, both of you, and you both live in different countries, different cities and different states. Some traveling is also involved. Definitely your person in depression and anxiety. Without you, they're feeling like this. They're thinking about you day and night, especially in the night times. They are not sleeping well due to the thoughts regarding you and regarding your relationship. Definitely they want to, what the World means cycle ending. Definitely they want to end the cycle between both of you, this toxic cycle. They want some fresh new beginnings with you, Scorpio. Yeah, they are very passionate about you. They are feeling sad without you. Definitely they want some new beginnings with you, and I think you also want some new beginnings with your person. You both have strong emotions for each other. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. So thank you for the support, guys. Bye.